Painting baseboards above carpet without making a mess is easiest when you use a simple masking tape method and a few careful steps. Start by tucking the carpet edge tightly under the baseboard using a putty knife so you have a clean, narrow gap to work against. This prevents paint from getting onto the carpet fibers and gives you a firm edge to run your brush along. Choose a high-quality, semi-gloss or satin trim paint because these dry evenly and resist scuffing. Stir thoroughly and pour a small amount into a trim cup or shallow container to keep your brush loaded but not dripping. Apply painter-quality masking tape along the top of the baseboard where it meets the wall only if the wall is a different color. Otherwise, tape the carpet edge itself by lifting the carpet slightly and laying a thin strip of tape over the backing so the tape adheres without crushing fibers. Use a 2-inch angled sash brush and load it so the tip is saturated but the heel is relatively dry. Paint in long, steady strokes away from you and then smooth the stroke with a light feathering pass to remove brush marks. Keep a damp cloth and a small artist brush or cotton swab nearby to clean any tiny errors immediately while the paint is still wet. Remove the tape slowly and at a 50-degree angle while the paint is still tacky to avoid hard edges peeling and to achieve a razor-sharp line between baseboard and carpet. Common mistakes start with insufficient tucking of the carpet, which lets paint wick onto fibers. Correct that by spending extra time with a flat putty knife and pulling the carpet firmly under the baseboard so the tape or paint sits against backing knot pile. Another frequent issue is overloading the brush, which creates drips that run down onto the carpet. Prevent this by wiping the brush on the rim of the container and using shorter strokes, reloading more often. A third concern is removing tape too late, which can peel paint off with the tape. Take the tape off while the paint is still slightly wet and pull it back slowly at a shallow angle to preserve the fresh line. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and a discussion community where people share real-world tips like this. We help contractors find work by listing them and enabling conversations so both sides learn and solve common project problems together.